Choosing a home lift that's right for you and your home is an important decision. The Stiltz home lift is the most versatile, stylish and cost-effective solution available on the market. Here's why. Our great-looking lifts take up little room, and a unique rail design means they don't require a supporting wall. Tuck it in a corner, put it in a cupboard, place it in a stairwell void, or send it up to a mezzanine or landing. No other product gives you the same freedom and flexibility. Our unique drive system is quieter than many stairlifts, and there's no noisy hydraulics or vacuum systems to worry about. Standard remote controls allow you to use your Stiltz lift to move items such as laundry, vacuum cleaners, boxes, or anything else you need an extra pair of hands with. Stiltz lifts include all the safety and convenience features you would expect, including a battery backup to lower the lift in a power cut, full or half height doors, obstruction sensors, a key lock to stop unauthorised use, an optional seat and grab bar. Undertaking renovations or building additions to your home can be costly, disruptive and stressful. And moving out of the home you love can be equally as expensive and emotionally draining. Instead, choose a Stiltz home lift. Far more versatile and fun than a stairlift, they'll add significant convenience to your lifestyle with minimal running costs. Why build or move when there's no need to? Enjoy the style and luxury of a Stiltz home lift. Contact us for more information or to find your local authorised Stiltz dealer.